Good day, my friends. This is Dr. Digambar. And as I always say, you are exactly what you eat. Well, today let's talk a little bit about milk. For ages, we have been taking milk to get stronger. And I still don't know the meaning of the word stronger in this context here. But we've been talking about it. Let me ask you one single question. In the whole universe, is there any animal drinking milk from some other animal or some other mother? And you know your answer is no. The constitution of a cow's milk and the human milk is totally different. I can spell out a number of things which are different in a cow's milk compared to a human milk. So also the structure of the gastrointestinal tract of the cow and human is different. You know the cow has 4 stomachs. Yes, you know it. Now what is milk? See, when the child is first born, first 6 months its immune system is not developed. And how is this child protected? The child is protected by antibodies and other factors coming from mother's milk into the stomach of the child. This is how the child is protected in the first 6 months till it's developed its own antibodies. Say, if I put my kidney into your body, do you think it will be accepted? No. We need to give you steroids and we need to give you something like some immunosuppressant drugs to see that the kidney, your immune system is suppressed and it will not throw my kidney out. Okay? Now, when you are taking mother's milk, the cow's milk, and there are these antigens, antibodies there, do you think your body is going to accept it? No. They constantly try to throw them out, and it's a small amount, you don't understand it. But there's a constant inflammation into your body. And inflammation today, you know, is the cause of all degenerative or autoimmune diseases. Remember this. We have done studies, and a lot of these studies have shown that people who consume more than 2 glasses of milk have much weaker bones, many fractures than compared to those people who never had cow's milk in their life. The composition of these two is totally different, especially the insulin-like growth factors, lactose and the casein in the cow's milk are resources or sources which create lots of problems inside our body, including many more cancers. I won't even elaborate them. When a child is born, the intestine is totally different. It's loose, it's not well developed. The tight junction they called are not very tight. They are tightened later on by the growth, by some factors coming from the human milk. Now, cow's milk do not have those factors. So the infant fed on cow's milk will have not properly developed intestines, leading to later on in life called as a leaky gut syndrome, which is we are recognizing today as responsible for a number of degenerative diseases and number of autoimmune diseases and cancers. Friends, you have seen calf, through the cow milk, the calf gains in hundreds of kilos in just a few months. This tells you the caloric values of cow's milk. By the time we are 1 or 2 years old, 75% of our population do not have lactose or lactase to digest lactose. How can we? So this lactose, undigested lactose from the cow's milk have number of problems on us, including eczema and allergy and all those sort of things. Let me not elaborate them right now. There are many more factors I can tell you, but friends, these few things are enough for any sensible man to understand cow's milk is an ideal food for a calf. If it is not your mother's milk, it is not your milk. You have no right on that milk. Thank you so much.